Hello. Good morning. Fish, the beach bum investor, 15 minutes late. Sorry about that. Been a bit busy this morning. We're looking at doing the video for the rebranding. Hey dog, in the house early, as always. How's school been, man? Been working hard? I'm talking crypto for a little bit today, dog? I'm actually making a video, man. I'm making a video today for my new show. It's going to be a lot of fun. Are your boys about to drop in and raid me again? Notification squad. So I'm just going to talk a bit of crypto for the next sort of 15-20 minutes. It won't be a long discussion today. I do have a lot of work on, so I am sorry about that. I'm not live. Yeah, cool, you're not live, sweet man. You usually are, I know that. But just going to be talking a bit of crypto today. Then I've got the video to make, which is going to be a lot of fun. So I've got to keep moving today. Let's have a quick look at the market while we're starting. Just bring up CoinMarketCap as usual for a quick check. It's been interesting. Bitcoin's been right up there. Been a good 24 hours in the crypto economy. Just going to bring it up and give you some live figures now. Yeah, so 165 billion on the market cap. You have school can't be live only on some weekends. Yeah, cool. No, that's good, dog. Keep that balance, man. Keep that balance. Schoolwork during the week, and then if your parents let you, you can do some streaming on the weekend. Sounds good. You're young. You got plenty of time. Got to get the schoolwork done first, though. It sucks, but you got to. Yeah, cool. See you, dog. Take it easy, man. I'll wait for the others to drop in. I'm late today, so they might have bailed on me. We'll see what happens. But let's just have a quick run through the economy while we're waiting for a few of the regulars to see that I didn't abandon the chat today. I'm just a little bit late. Sorry. So Bitcoin, $4,588 per coin. Really, really good gains. 4.5% in the last 24 hours. So excellent, excellent. Market cap's sitting at just under 76 billion on Bitcoin alone. It was only, what, a month ago that the entire crypto economy was sitting at 76 billion. So fantastic to see that sort of growth. Ethereum's continuing to gain up another 6.3%. We're at $370 a coin, heading back towards those historical highs of 400. Will we crack through this time? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I think it'll find a little resistance there to start with. Whether it goes ploughing through after that or not, I can't tell you. I personally looked for other coins to replace Ethereum in the D-up race. So I've made good money on Lisk, and I actually sold some and have bought it back now, so I've had a little trade with it as well. So yeah, I've been pretty successful on the Lisk front. So that's the coin I'm backing a little further down the charts for good value D-up coin at the moment. Might as well actually have a quick look at Lisk while we're here. Yeah, so it's just above the $6 psychological support. It has retraced. It's retraced quite a lot from its highs. We did see it trading up over the $7 mark at one stage. So there is a good retracement on it if you are interested in getting into Lisk. I'd still look for a little bit more retracement if it were me, but I got in super early and then sold, and so I could buy it back here and be in profit no matter what, basically. So yeah, Lisk has been a good one for me. I still like it going forward. It's had a massive run up in the last week or so. What else have we got here? QTUM has been a massive winner. We started talking about that about a week ago. It's up another 7.64% and sitting at a coin price of $18.22. Hey, Pete. Hey, I did that research on LAToken, man. I was just waiting for you to drop in so we can have a chat about that. Awesome. Awesome. Love it. Love LAToken. Good find. So we'll just go through a few more on the market. Neo has actually continued to slide. I did suggest that it might have been a bit overhyped for its stage of development, and I'd still think it's awesome. I just want to wait for that retracement to get in, so that's what I'm looking for there. Still looking for more, to be honest. Litecoin, can we talk about Litecoin? $63. What great growth on growth on growth on growth. And it's really consolidated nicely above that $60 mark. So $63.09, up 0.88% in the last 24 hours. That's looking good. Dash, doing well, $3.59 a coin. It's retraced a little. 0.37% in the last 24 hours, but wow, if you were in that a few months ago, you'd be very, very happy. Okay, let's go down and have a quick look at PIVX before we move on to a quick chat about LAToken. Pete, I can't. Thanks, Geordie. Geordie's actually sitting just over there, and he's just bloody live chatted me the price. Yeah, so PIVX at $2.94. We have slipped below that psychological support of $3. Now, will that act as the same as the $2 mark of a month ago, where people start buying it up? I'm not sure. I'm personally looking at $2.70 to start really getting in again. We'll see. Yeah, he's an idiot. He's sitting right there and he's texting me information. So, I don't know. We're making that video today, Pete, for the start of the show. Like, we're actually getting a introduction to our crypto chat. Hey, Jow. Welcome, man. We're just, sorry I'm late today, guys. I know that's probably throwing you all out a bit. That's why I've babbled on a bit before we got onto the major discussions. Time's getting away from me at the moment. Too many coins. Too many projects. Not enough time. But look, the team is growing, so we'll be getting some really cool work done over the next few days, and hopefully you'll see the results of that on our crypto chat. Let's talk about LAToken. Yeah, it should be fun, Pete. You know me, I'm a clown, so it's going to be a clown intro. It's fun though. That's good. Anyway, let's talk about LAToken, because this is one, or would it be LAToken or like LAToken, because the T's used sort of once for two purposes. I'm not sure. Anyway, I like it. It's pretty cool. I was having a look at it this morning, reading through the white paper and all that sort of thing that I do when I have a look at the coin. And it appealed to me straight away. The reason being is basically what it's doing is allowing liquidity in assets. Okay? So if you've got equity in your house, for example, like me, you guys know I've had a really good run up here in the property market in Australia in the last 5 years. So I've got good equity in my house. But for me to unlock that equity is actually quite difficult, because my entrepreneurial style over the last 3.5 years doesn't have me with like a fixed income. It's all over the place. So the banks find it hard to assess me as suitable for a loan candidate, despite the significant amount of equity that I hold in my house and businesses and assets. So that makes it difficult for me. And I thought about it. I thought, geez, if I could sell off 10% of my house right now. Hey, Slice Keeper, welcome. We're just talking LAToken, or LAToken. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but LAToken. Yeah, so I really like it. Pete's put us onto this one. I think it's a good one. It sold out at phase 1 of ICO. Phase 2 opens up in a few days. I'm going to be looking to get in. I think it's the 5th of September. September 5 that phase 2 opens up. So I'm going to be having a look at, and a bit more at the figures, and then looking to get in, because I think this has amazing potential. They've got some really, really good stuff. I took some notes here, so I'll just quickly read over them. These are things that I saw important for LAToken or LAToken. Like, I read the white paper and I read the homepage, and I suggest you get on there, because that white paper is comprehensive. They've put a lot of effort, a lot of thought into what they're doing there. There are certain things I don't 100% like about it, but I like it. I'm going to get in. Probably at phase 2. I'll have a look at it. I don't want to commit to that yet. But yeah, just a couple of quotes that I've pulled off here that I saw as important, so I'm just going to read them. We decentralise capital markets, making them more transparent, efficient and sustainable, while removing the cost of traditional middlemen and too big to fail institutions. I like that way of thinking. Yeah, so that's a good question, Pete. Are US customers allowed on that one? I didn't actually see that. I really got to start looking at that, because in Australia we're good to go basically. So I don't have to really worry about that. But I should start worrying about that for the US people. Sorry about that. Yeah, so it's a really, really interesting thing, because like for me at the moment, my house has had really good growth, right? Really, really good growth. And I think we're potentially on the edge of a downward correction in the property market in Australia. So for me, I would actually love to sell 10% of my house off to an investor right now with the option to buy it back. Now, what that means for me, if the market does correct downwards, I can actually buy that 10% of my house back cheaper than what I've been given money for today. And if the market goes up, I don't care. The other 90% of the house that I own has just increased in value. And I'll buy the other 10% back when I've got the money for it. So it opens up some really, really interesting opportunities in opening up the liquidity of in the equity of your assets. And they're not just talking real estate, they're talking art, they're talking a few different things. Let me just have a quick look, because it was on the website. I'll look at that in a second. Let me just read the other quotes I have here. Oh yeah, this was interesting. Tokenized Apple and Amazon shares are already traded on the LAT exchange. Trading of tokens backed by real estate and works of art will be launched soon. I just got another quote here that I found interesting off my reading, and it says, turnover of asset-based tokens may exceed $1 trillion in 2025, and LAT is well positioned to become one of the most stable and popular cryptocurrencies for the real economy. LAT is also used to pay transactional fees to the platform node holders. They also put on there that they had some strategic partnerships, and they had NZ Gold and SL Real Estate. Now, I'm just going to get onto the chat there, because I've missed a couple of things that Pete's saying, and he really knows about this coin. So give me a second. Just going to load it up. Sorry about this, a bit unprepared today. Got a lot of things going on. Okay, videos. It should say live. Yep, there it is. Now, please don't come on talking to me, Luke. Stop. Just give me the chat. Yeah, cool. All right, I'll just catching up with the chat there. Sorry about that. But yeah, LAToken I really like. The idea of allowing more liquidity in your equity and your assets is hugely attractive to someone like me who's asset heavy and often cash poor, because I stack it all into investments. But yeah, so that's hugely interesting to me. Honestly, if I could sell off 10% of my house at market rate at the moment, I would, with the option to buy it back, of course. And essentially that is what a LAToken is allowing. Yeah, it's Zhao. It's, mate, Jordan, stop. Jordan's sitting over here being painful, asking me about the surf. He always comes down, we're supposed to be working, he goes, oh, let's just grab the boards and go surfing. Real good business partner, this one. Anyway, the thing I like about LAToken, Zhao, is for people like me who are asset heavy but cash poor, well, relatively cash poor compared to assets, it gives us a nice option to unlock some of the money we've actually made without essentially letting go of it forever. So, yeah, don't encourage him, Pete, please. He's 19. You know what 19-year-olds are like. Oh, Pete, did you get that PIVX wallet address going, man? I'm going to send you a couple of PIV. Jordan, stop it. If you get your wallet set up, Pete, I'll send you a couple of PIV, man. I like you. I like the contributions you bring over here to the chat. Actually, that goes for all the regular followers, guys. Get your PIVX wallets downloaded, and we'll do a chat session one day. Not today, because I've got heaps of things to do. But to my regulars, get your PIVX core wallets downloaded, please, because I'm going to send you all some free PIVX. Because you guys have been with me from the start. I know who you are, so please download a PIVX core wallet. And if you don't have the ability to download the core wallet and you've got an Android phone, just download the Android. I don't even care if you're staking. I'd prefer you were. But for now, I just want to reward you guys for contributing to the conversation. Yeah, cool, Slice Keeper. Download the wallet, man. Please, core wallet. It'll take about 20 hours to sync. Jordan's just downloading his now. Yeah, get into it today. Thanks, Pete. I'll send you all some PIVX, guys, all my regulars. And we can stake together, secure the network together, and earn some staking rewards. If you need the blockchain for fast sync, I can help. Cool. Zhao's one of our regulars, Geordie. Yeah. He's knowledgeable. I'm trying to convince him to get onto our YouTube team. Ooh. Yeah, he speaks Portuguese, dude. That's good, eh? Yeah, very good. See, he's 19. He's down with the young crowd. He knows that the whole Portuguese, English crypto discussion would be cool. So, Zhao, listen to Jordan, if not me, if not Pete. Join the YouTube team, champ. Okay, that's the last pressure I'm putting on you for today, Zhao, I promise. Once a day, that's it. Alright, so yeah, LAToken was one that Pete has brought to our attention as our little group, our discussion group. Me personally, I love it. Zhao's maybe not a huge fan, because he's, he's You synced yours in 15 minutes, Xiao. I've got to talk to you. We're talking on Slack, bro, later. I got heaps on today. I'm doing this video. Tell Jordan to hit me up on Twitter. He can sync in minutes. Jordan, you're on the chat, man. Johnny Crypto. Yeah, well, Johnny Crypto's got tips for you, bro. At Johnny Crypto on Twitter, he said hit him up. That's Xiao. He's soon to be on our team. Yeah, we're all over there at the PIVX Slack group. Well, Xiao and I are. Xiao's Johnny Crypto over there. I'm Fish. Simple as that. And Jordan, what are you over there on our Slack group? Because are you on the PIVX Slack group? You're not. We'll have to fix that. Yeah. So anyway, we're all making our way over there. So it's a good place to, like, we can direct message each other and catch up with the chat when we've got time and when we can check it. So it's a really good way to communicate. Discord would be nice. Yeah, I'm going to get that set up. Jordan and I are working on a few things today, but yeah, I'd like to have you all in on the discussion, actually talking. That'd be fantastic, rather than just typing. I just got to get it set up. You know, you guys know me. I'm new at all this. Give me some time. I'm working on a million things at once. So yeah, we'll definitely get that. PIVX dominance, right on, Pete. Yeah, we love it. I think we've dropped below $3. I kind of always saw that coming. I thought we might retrace as far as 270 or even 250 after a massive run up like that. Like, I watched one of my early videos. We were talking about $1.50, $1.64. I did the maths on it. That's when I did my PIVX formula. So good stuff. Oh, by the way, I just wanted to I gave a bit of a burn to Sergio yesterday. Not a burn. I just called him out. Now I've got to call him out for being good, because he left another comment in response to my comment to him, and it was actually well thought out, and it had a really, really interesting suggestion in there about the big guys actually keeping the market down so they can accumulate more coins. And I said, bingo, that's what I picked with a few coins. So Sergio, from yesterday, I gave you a little burn. Now I'm giving you a little respect, man, because I actually, yeah, I subscribe to that thesis myself. So well done, Sergio. Yeah, so LAToken we've sort of covered. I haven't gone heavily into the economics of it at this stage. I found it a little hard to find out. I think like they have a lock-in system basically where they're locking tokens in for 5 years to, I guess, to stabilize the price and also to hold that money, and then they're going to release 0.05% onto the market every day, and that will release the rest of the tokens over 5 years. Now I couldn't quite figure it out. There were 400 million tokens for one part of it and 600 million for the other. I believe this gives us a total eventual supply of 1 billion tokens. So I'm going to have to go back to that and do some maths, because they were talking about the number of LATokens you get per ether. I think that's their preferred ICO investment coin. So yeah, they are ether based. So yeah, if you go in and you do your investment in ether, they're talking about so many coins per ether. So obviously then you have to relate that back to the price of ether that you're buying it at to get your relative price per coin. And then you can start doing some figures based on I think what is an eventual circulating supply of 1 billion, just adding the 400 million and the 600 million together in the two different parts of the, I guess, the coin release. So that's how I think that's the part I got a little bit confused on with the economics. So I'll go back and have a look at that. It was only a 2-hour research session this morning, very early. So I haven't done comprehensive research on this, but I did make a promise to Pete that I'd go and do some research and have a look at it and at least get a general idea on it. And I certainly did that. Read through the white paper, read through the home site. If you hold a wallet on my Ether wallet, you receive free OMG tokens in 5th of September. I've got my Ether wallet. Really? Cool. Good tip from Xiao. Xiao, can we talk more about that, please, mate? I know we've got a million things to talk about, but if that's the same as sort of like when you got free Bitcoin Cash for holding Bitcoin, that was jackpot time. So let's do that again if you've stumbled onto something there. That's cool. Let me just see what it says again. By the way, if you hold Ether in a wallet like my Ether wallet, you will receive free OMG tokens in 5th of September. So, Xiao, just to confirm, you're saying that if we hold Ether in our wallet at the 5th of September, we'll be given free OMG tokens. Is that correct? And I'll wait for your reply there and I'll keep talking. But that sounds really interesting because, as you guys know, when Bitcoin... I can't post links to the chat. Check it in the Omisco blog. Okay. Yeah, so thank you. Xiao's just put there, I can't post links in the chat. I don't know why that is. Is that something I've got blocked? Jordan, is that something I've got blocked? Why can't people post links in the chat?
Must be a YouTube thing.
Oh, we'll have a look at it. Yeah, so thanks to Xiao again. I'm just going to read out his last comment because Xiao's one of our regular contributors here. Can you make him a mod? Xiao, I don't even know what a mod is, but I will make Xiao whatever part of the team he wants to be because I've got a lot of respect for Xiao. I can't post links in the chat, blah, blah, blah. Check it. Oh, yeah. So, Xiao says, check the omise.co. So, O-M-I-S-E. That's Oscar Mike India Sierra Echo, because I know I have an accent. .co blog. That's where Xiao says to look to get more information on that. You don't know what OMG is. You're missing a Bitcoin Vitalik Advisor First Plasma Project. Cool, man. Cool. I'll have a look at it. Yeah, I'm missing a lot of coins. Simple as that. can't work full, I'm working 20-hour days, to be honest, quite often. You tweeted, are you tweeting me, Geordie?
No, I'm talking to Jiao.
Oh, you're talking to Jiao. Jiao just tweeted you. Sorry, Geordie just tweeted you, Jiao. Yeah, cool. So, yeah, I'll have a look at, I'll definitely have a look at OMG. I'll try and catch up, man. Doing these massive promo, we're little secret. I'm going to be breaking a world record soon. I can't tell you too much, but it is, it's somewhat a planned publicity stunt, but I will be holding a world record soon. So we've been planning a lot on that. We're creating a new show. There's a lot going on. It's hard to keep on top of all the coins as well. It's not Jordan, go away. I told you I didn't have time for that today. He's going, oh, you should have been simulcasting on Steam it. And yes, I should have, but we're just trying to get the discussion out there today because we've got a lot to do. So I am going to have to cut it well short of an hour. It's like another 10 minutes max for me today, guys. That's all I can afford. In any case, getting back to crypto discussion, I'll definitely have a look at OMG. And thank you again to the workhorse Xiao for bringing that to our attention. If I'm going to get free coins, I might have to buy some Ether. But you've got to be careful because if that, like to people in the know, if they know about that, that's already driving the price of Ether perhaps past a over-purchase stage. Just going to read what Pete says here. I know I made a few bucks on it over the weekend. Arbitrage BTC to Ether to OMG to BTC, 2,000 Satoshi around. Nice work, Pete. Well done. I've been doing a lot of trades out of exclusive coin and doing quite well. It's having some pretty big swings, and you can get in and out. And it's quick. It's happening like twice a day, 3 times a day. It's getting pumped. So yeah, there's some interesting plays around the market. I had a look at District 0. That's dropped again. I'm thinking about actually reinvesting, putting more in, because I did buy it right up around 13 cents a coin. So if I buy it now at 11, I think it was 11 last time I checked. Let's have a quick look. I don't want to be giving you approximate figures when I've got the figures right here. So let's have a quick look at District 0, which is one we've been following. District 0X is... Yeah, it's really dropped actually. Significant retracement. 10.5 cents a coin. I'm just trying to catch up on the chat as well. Yeah, so District 0, if you like that, that's taken big retracements. I've already dropped 30%, 40%, so I might double up on that now. Like I said, I only put a couple $100 into it, so I can put a couple $100 more. And I might do that. Double down. See what happens. I'll have to think about it. I'm happy just to... Oh, thanks, Xiao. Geordie. Xiao sent you those links. Yeah, so... Thanks for doing that, Xiao. We'll get onto that, man. Then we can make a video about it. How to do the quick sync of the wallet. I should know that. I work for PIVX. But to be fair, like... the funny thing is, a lot of the guys over in the PIVX team don't even have their coins staking. They're going, oh, yeah, we're just... we're busy doing our marketing or our development or whatever their jobs are in the team. So, to me, that's good signs. We'll let our customers, our investors, take the rewards from the profiting while we're doing it. We're all profiting as well. We've got the coins, but they're making our interest while ours aren't staking. My own wallet was down for 20 days because I was just like, you know what, I'll fix it later. I've got a million things on. So, I missed staking bonuses for 20 days, which is... It's not responsible, but I'm working hard to actually increase the share price. So, yeah. Good video about the PIVX. Oh, is there? Cool. Yeah, thanks, Xiao. Alright, so Xiao said there is already a good video on like doing the fast sync of the blockchain for PIVX, but he said there's a better article about it on Reddit. So what we'll do is we'll use the combination of, we'll use that first video as a lead, and then we'll use the information provided on Reddit to actually make a comprehensive video on how to do that fast sync blockchain when you're downloading the core wallet for PIVX. So yeah, having a look at District 0, that's the coin based on governance by districts, which I thought was revolutionary. I still think it is, and I think what's it valued at now? 62 million. Wow. Yeah, so I've taken a bit of a hit on that one. I can't figure 15% maybe off the top of my head, 20%, I don't know, somewhere around that mark. So I'm not concerned. I wish I'd waited and bought it cheaper, but I've done this a million times before. Bought it early and it goes back up. I'm confident that's not the highest price we're ever going to see for District 0. So yeah, I bought early. I could have bought better. I might double down even today. I'll go and have a look at my finances and see if I can afford it. It's not complete. It's 4 months old, but I see PIVX doesn't have too much transaction, but it was fast for me. Cool, man. Cool. Yeah, we'll look into that, yeah. We'll work on that. I'll try not to dominate the talk too much with PIVX talk. It's probably being kept a bit more quiet at the moment, Jordan. That's a separate project that we're talking about. I'm glad the chat won't be available, and look forward to that project soon. Someone delete the chat. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, so cryptos have done well. District 0x was one we're looking at. It's taken a significant retracement for anyone who does like it. Oh, he's retracted the message. I didn't even know you could do that. See? He's good with this stuff. Yeah, we're going to get on to make this video today, which is going to be a lot of fun for you all. It's going to be the new introduction to our, hopefully what will be a 1 hour a daily episode. Yeah, Jordan, I'll have to teach you, mate, about things we keep in the circle of trust. Never mind, these guys are all cool on here. They're not going to go blabbing about what they've just read. Yeah, Pete. Honestly, we're going to be hitting market with that soon anyway, and it's been 5 years of development, brother, and a lot of money, and a lot of heartache, and a lot of blood, sweat and tears put into this project. I'm very passionate about it, and my brother's actually the majority shareholder. I own 22% of the company as of this morning. So, very, very excited about that one. That's been a big part of our lives. As a side project for the last 5 years. We've been working hard on it, and we're just about ready. So, yeah, look forward to that one hitting the market for sure. I think you'll all really, really enjoy that one. Anyway, so getting back onto the cryptos, look, we're at market highs. It seems like we've got past the scare of the Bitcoin fork, which was causing a lot of confusion, and it was, halted the expanse of the market, the increase in the investment dollars. Well, that uncertainty was figured out. So I think that's what saw our little hiccup in July. I think we're well past that now, and I think we'll see steady growth going forward. You're going to get retracements. That always happens. But I think it's going to be more consistent. The understanding of blockchain is growing. It's being overlaid into more and more industries. Acceptance is growing wider. Understanding's growing wider. Everything's ticking boxes. Regulations. Apart from the US. Trump, I'm coming for you. Donald, I'll build my own wall. Because honestly, the US is having some further restrictions put on, and everyone's always talking about, oh, can we do it in the US? Get with it, Donald. Get with it. We're even regulating it in Australia, and we're usually 10 years behind you guys, so... Mate. No, I'm not getting Trump coin. I don't even know what it is, but I don't like Trump. No, Jordan didn't do that on purpose, but it's kind of clever. My brother will kill him if he saw this, because my brother's very tight-lipped. But I mean, look, our website is actually open there. So, Pete, if you did see the name of that company, you can look up our website, because it's not hidden. It's open on the public. Go and have a look at what we've been working on, bro. It's pretty exciting stuff. Yeah, so get it pump it, then pump it. I like that, Slice Keeper. Get it, pump it, then pump it. Yeah, look, I've been just holding. I've been trading in and out of coins a little bit, just to get those extra coins. But that's dangerous in itself, like exclusive coin. I'm trying to pick up some that I've traded out of. I've put them back on the buy wall cheaper, obviously, but pump it, then dump it. Don't pump, then dump. If you don't, like, honestly, just invest. Oh, Trump coin exists for real. You're talking about Trump coin. Yeah, I have seen it, man. I scroll down, like, the charts daily, so I pick up the name. You know, that's why, from a marketability perspective, it's so important to have a good name for your coin and a good trading symbol. Honestly, really important. So Trump coin is smart on branding. I've seen other ones that are really smart on branding as well. So I don't even know what it does. I can't be bothered looking into it. Don't like Trump. I'm not a fan at all. Sorry to any Trump supporters out there. Anyway, I'm not going to rabbit on about Trump. Yeah, so look, the economy has done very well. Anyone who's been invested the last few months is probably going to have made money. They still 5, I think. Why are we talking? What? Jow, we're better than this. Why are we still talking about Trump coin? All right, I'm going to sign out. Look, I tell you what. No, I'm not going to look into Trump coin. I'm going to look into one of the other ones that you guys have brought me some suggestions on. So PIVX has taken that retracement. I'll just check the price for you live before we go. On Bittrex, we are sitting at, yesterday I think I remember I said 62501. Those buyers orders obviously hit for me, and at the moment we're at 63800 being the last trade price. So RPX, I don't know what RPX is. Maybe XRP, Ripple. Yeah, I don't like talking about Ripple. That's the bank's coin. They can have it. It will go up. It will be successful. I have no doubt about that. There will be significant gains for Ripple going forward. I have no doubt about that, but I just don't like the companies they're associated with. Oh, Red Pulse. Oh, that's right, Size Keeper. We're supposed to look at that one. Why don't we make that one for the tomorrow? That's fair. Yeah, I'm getting my pen. I'm putting it on the board. That's the rules. And I'm even going to write it in red. Slice Keeper, we deserve to do one for you again, because let's have a look at Red Pulse for tomorrow. Crypto chat. Cool. So LAToken we had a look at. We're going to have a look at Red Pulse tomorrow. I've never looked at it. I don't know what it is. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. But guys, please get those PIVX wallets downloaded, and I'll get you some PIVX sent across, and we'll have a look at Red Pulse tomorrow. Happy investing. I'm going to get going because we have got a lot of work to do. I'm sorry I was late today, and thank you for dropping in for the conversation still. That is the Neo one, Slice. Okay. I wish there was a way you guys... This is why we'll get Discord going. We'll get a Discord going for this group. That way you guys can continue the conversation about these great coins that you're finding in my absence. I think you're a great little community that likes to talk to each other, so let's facilitate that. Sorry, I am going to have to check out now, guys. I don't know if that kills the discussion for you. I'm sorry if it does. But we'll get that Discord set up, or a Slack group of our own, or something, so that we can all chat together. You guys can chat amongst each other when I'm not here to, I guess, moderate the discussion. So that's what I'd like to do going forward. Yeah, Pete, I can't make any promises, man. No, I'm kidding. We will get onto the video today. Hopefully we'll have a new intro for the show sometime in the next, what do you reckon, 7 days, Geordie?
Probably less.
Probably less. I like the way this kid works. Yeah, guys, nice hangout again. Thank you for the information. Discord is a good chat, yeah. We'll get it set up, bro. Let's do that. Let's get a Discord set up for this group. We might even get the Discord set up under the new show name, because the show will be rebranding. So thanks to all the regulars again, guys. Get those PIVX wallets downloaded. I'm going to send you all some PIVX for doing some research, contributing, bringing up some coins for us to look at. Pete, thanks for LAToken, man. I want to get involved in that. I like that idea. I just got to crunch the numbers on the economics of it. Like, they're valuing the company at 120 million already. I did read that. That's a high valuation for this. But yeah, it's a high valuation potentially for the stage of development, but not a high valuation for its potential, certainly. So, yeah, thanks for LAToken, Pete. We're going to have a look at Red Pulse for Slice Keeper for tomorrow. So tune in tomorrow for more crypto discussion. There's Geordie in the background. We're just going to head out and do our filming now. Should be a really fun video. I've got a rap that's going over the top of it, and that will be the intro for our new show. Let's get a Discord going and keep it going. New people on wallet, just copy, file sending address, copy. Yeah, thanks, Xiao. You're a legend, man. We'll get all this information out on a video. And I'll catch up with you all tomorrow for another crypto chat. Thanks for dropping in. Happy investing. Fish out.